Hello friends, today we are going to discuss ESIC Pharmacist 2019 question answer. So if you like the video, please like and subscribe my channel. So the first question asks, trachoma is an infectious disease of dash. Generally trachoma is an infectious disease of eye. So generally it is infection by one bacteria called as Chlamydia trachomatis. So the answer option number C is the right answer. We will go for question number 2. Phalloquinone is another name for dash. So phalloquinone is the name for vitamin K. The other vitamins like vitamin A is otherwise known as tocopherol, vitamin D is otherwise known as calciferol, vitamin A is otherwise known as retinol. Tocopherol, calciferol and retinol. So the right option is vitamin E. Next question, the price fixed by the Indian government for schedule formation according to the provision of DPCO drug price control order is called as dash. The answer is fourth. The option fourth is the right answer, that is ceiling price is the right answer. Question number 4, the salt used in the X-ray studies of the gastrointestinal tract, generally we are using barium sulfate as the radio opaque contrast media. So the option 2 is the right answer. The option 2 is the right answer for it. Question number 5, structured evaluation of a patient's medication for improving health outcome is termed as. The option 1 is the right answer for it. Medication review is the right answer. Next we will go for question number 6, the heteroatom present in phenothiazine. So the heteroatom, there are two heteroatoms present, one is a sulfur and another one is nitrogen in the aromatic compound. So sulfur means it is thio and nitrogen means it is azo compound. So here the phenothiazine containing the option C, that is sulfur and nitrogen heteroatoms. The option C is the right answer. Next we will go for question number 7, which of the following serves as one of the laboratories for producing oral polio vaccine. So the answer 3, that is your Pasteur Institute of India, Kannur, present in Kannur, producing polio vaccines, oral polio vaccines. The option 3 is the right answer. Question number 8, Mir contains. So Mir is a oleoresin. The biological source of Mir is Commiphora molmol, belongs to the family Burseraceae, which is containing the option C, that is your gum. Question number 9, etoposide is a semi-synthetic derivative of dash. Generally etoposides are plant glycoside which have anti-cancer property. So for the treatment of cancer, various type of cancer, we are using etoposides. Next we will go for question number 10, in Alzheimer's disease which peptide level is elevated. So the option 1 is the right answer for it, that is your beta amyloid. So Alzheimer's disease where there is gradually loss of memory. Next we will go for question number 11, the conference board is an organization for compiling the index of dash. So the option 4 is the right answer for it, that is leading indicators. Next we will go for question number 12, which of the following is a nonapeptide hormone produced by the posterior pituitary gland. The right answer is vasopressin. Option 2 is the right answer for it. Next we will go for question number 13, an integral membrane of glycoprotein of the human erythrocyte is. Option 3 is the right answer, that is your glycophorin. Next we will go for question number 14, the adipose tissue in newborn is called as a dash. Generally the adipose tissue in newborn, it is called as your brown fat. Next we will go for question number 15, a drug that promotes diuresis by antagonizing the action of aldosterone is. First one is furosemide and bumetonides. So these are high ceiling diuretics. So next the answer C is the right answer, that is your spironolactone, which is your potassium sparing diuretics. Acetazolamide, this is a carbonic anhydrase inhibitors. The option 3 is the right answer for it. Next we will go for question number 16, which of the following is an important document of the hospital containing a collective list of drugs. For this the hospital formulary is the right answer. Option 3 is the right answer for it. Next we will go for question number 17. Classification of bacteria as heterotrophs is based on, generally heterotrophs means which depend on others. So it is in case of bacteria it is related to energy source. The option C is the right answer for it. Next we will go for question number 18. The form for the issue of license to sell, stock, exhibit for sale or distribute drugs specified in Schedule X in detail is, the option C is the right answer, that is 20F. Next we will go for question number 19. Bismuth subcarbonate is a dash. Generally bismuth subcarbonate is a adsorbent and astringent whose formula is this. Next we will go for question number 20. The price that equates market supply and market demand is called as, the option C is the right answer for it, that is called as a market clearing price. Question number 21. An amino acids considered as lipoprotein factor, the option 1 is the right answer for it, methionine, which is an essential amino acids. Next we will go for question number 22. Ancylostomata duodenale is a dash. Ancylostomata duodenale is a hookworm which is coming under nematodes. So option 2 is the right answer. Next we will go for question number 23. Billings method is a method of dash. The answer is family planning. Billings method is a method of family planning. The option C is the right answer for it. Next we will go for question number 24. Both snail and crab are vector of which of the following diseases? The option D is the right answer for it, which is paragoniamiasis. Next we will go for question number 25. Trench fever. Trench fever is a dash disease. Trench fever is a rickettsial disease. Trench fever is a rickettsial disease. The option 1 is the right answer for it. Next we will go for question number 26. Adverse drug reaction does not occur due to dash. Generally while there is a change in drug, there should not be any adverse drug reaction. Okay, the option 1 is the right answer for it. Next we will go for question number 21. A quaternary ammonium compound that is used as a detergent is, the option is 2 is the right answer for it, ceramide. The answer is ceramide. Next we will go for question number 28. Synovial cells in joint is an example of dash. Synovial cell in joint is an example of macrophages. The option 1 is the right answer for it. Next we will go for question number 29. Spherical shaped bacteria are termed as dash. The option 4 is the right answer, that is cocci. Bacilli, these are rod shaped. Vibros and spirochetes, these are coil shaped bacteria. Next we will go for question number 30. Which of the following is a superficial vein of the cardiovascular system? The option 2 is the right answer for it, which is basilica vein. Thank you for today's session.